Welcome to the Best Picks. The best tire accessories is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial aspects of vehicle maintenance and performance, often playing a silent but significant role in everything from fuel efficiency and handling to safety and longevity of your tires. These seemingly small additions can dramatically impact your driving experience, offering enhanced convenience, improved safety features, and even extending the life of your expensive tire investment, making them an essential consideration for any car owner looking to get the most out of their vehicle. Number 5. GOOACC GRC 3120 PCS Car Retainer Replacement Kit. Introducing a versatile kit designed to meet all your car's retainer needs. It offers a wide range of sizes for various applications. This kit includes 4 essential hole sizes, 6.4mm, 8mm, 9mm, and 10mm. These are designed to fit a universal range of vehicles. Crafted from high-quality black nylon, these clips are built to last. They resist wear and corrosion, ensuring they won't break or crack easily. Perfect for replacing trim, door panels, bumpers, fenders, and engine covers. It's also useful for electronics, appliances, and furniture. You'll receive 120 assorted bumper clips in the specified sizes. A handy fastener remover is also included for your convenience. Enjoy a universal fit that works across many vehicle brands. This kit ensures you have the right fastener for almost any job. What we like. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to replace various broken clips on your vehicle, this kit is ideal. It offers a wide range of sizes and durable nylon construction, ensuring a secure fit for many applications. The inclusion of a fastener remover makes the job even easier. What people say. The tire pressure monitoring system is easy to install and provides real-time pressure readings. Durable construction ensures longevity, even in harsh weather conditions. The included valve caps offer excellent protection against dirt and moisture ingress. Number 4. JUSTTOP Aluminum Alloy Universal Tire Valve Caps. Keep your tires safe from water, dust, and sand. These caps prevent air leaks, ensuring a safer drive. Installing these is a breeze. Simply screw them on by hand. They offer a beautiful look that complements any vehicle color. Crafted from high-quality, durable aluminum alloy, they feature an enhanced seal to prevent air leakage effectively. With a universal size, they fit a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles. These make for excellent car accessories and thoughtful gifts for men. We're here to help. If you have any issues or questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. For those who want to add a touch of style and ensure their tires are protected from the elements, these valve caps are a great choice. Made from durable aluminum alloy with an enhanced seal, they prevent air leaks and keep out dust and water. If you appreciate simple yet effective car accessories, these are for you. What people say. The tire pressure monitoring system is easy to install and provides real-time pressure readings. Durable construction ensures longevity, and the universal fitment works with most vehicles. The included valve caps are made of high-quality aluminum and effectively seal the tire valves. Number 3. AVID Power Portable Tire Inflator Air Compressor. Experience incredibly fast inflation with our powerful dual motors. It's perfect for your car tires, bikes, and other inflatables, getting you back on the road in no time. Enjoy ultimate convenience with both 12V DC and 110V AC power options. Use it anywhere, whether you're plugged into your car's cigarette lighter or a home outlet. This versatile tool handles both inflation and deflation. Use the high-pressure hose for tires and balls, and the high-volume hose for air mattresses and floats. Set your desired pressure and let it do the work. The digital LCD gauge with unit conversion ensures accurate and safe operation, automatically shutting off when done. Don't get caught in the dark. The integrated ultra-bright LED flashlight provides essential visibility for emergency situations. You'll receive the inflator deflator, multiple nozzle adapters, a high-volume hose, and a user manual, so you have everything you need right out of the box. What we like. If you need a versatile inflator that can handle both car tires and other inflatables, this is a fantastic option. Its ability to run on both AC and DC power makes it incredibly convenient for use at home or on the go. The dual motors ensure fast inflation, and the separate modes for inflating and deflating add to its utility. What people say. The tire pressure monitoring system accurately displays real-time tire pressure and temperature. Easy installation process, took less than 15 minutes to set up all 4 sensors. The solar charging feature for the display unit is a great addition, reducing the need for battery changes. Number 2. GSPSCN Heavy-Duty Portable Air Compressor Pump. Experience incredibly fast tire inflation with our powerful dual-cylinder design. It can inflate a standard car tire in just 1 minute, getting you back on the road in no time. Our direct drive motor powers 2 cylinders simultaneously, ensuring rapid and efficient inflation. This advanced design offers stability and quiet operation. With an extended power cord and air hose, it's designed to reach most standard-sized vehicles. From cars to RVs and even bicycles, it handles a wide range of inflation needs. Enjoy significantly reduced noise levels compared to traditional inflators. It operates as quietly as a normal conversation, so you can inflate tires without disturbing others. Crafted with integrated molding technology and all-metal components, this inflator is built to last. Its robust construction extends its service life by an impressive 55%. This comes with everything you need, including battery clamps and multiple adapters for various items like balls and bicycles. A convenient Oxford bag is also included for easy storage and transport. What we like. For drivers of larger vehicles like SUVs, RVs, or pickup trucks who need rapid and reliable tire inflation, this heavy-duty inflator is a top contender. Its dual-cylinder design delivers exceptional speed, and the extended cords provide ample reach. If you prioritize power, durability, and a quieter operation, this is the one to consider. What people say. This tire pressure gauge is very accurate and easy to read. The build quality is excellent, feels very durable and robust. It comes with a handy storage case that keeps everything organized. Number 1. ROCGORLD R8 Portable Air Compressor. Introducing the ROCGORLD R8, a powerful and compact portable air compressor designed for all your inflation needs. It's your go-to solution for quickly and efficiently inflating tires, balls, and more. Experience incredibly fast inflation with its advanced 40L min cylinder. It can inflate a car tire in under a minute and even larger EV tires in just 1.5 minutes, saving you valuable time. Our user-friendly design features a dual digital LED display that shows real-time and preset pressure, along with device status. This ensures accurate and safe inflation every time, eliminating guesswork. Constructed with high-quality materials and an optimal cooling system, this device is built for long-lasting durability. Its sturdy structure and premium cords ensure reliable performance for years to come. Inflation is as simple as connect, preset, and start. It automatically stops when the desired pressure is reached and remembers your settings for next time, making it incredibly easy to use. This compact inflator is perfect for cars, EVs, motorcycles, bicycles, and sports equipment. It comes with a convenient carrying bag for easy storage and transport wherever you go. Your purchase includes a comprehensive set of accessories and a 2-year warranty for your peace of mind. We're here to assist you with any questions you may have. What we like. If you're looking for a modern, user-friendly tire inflator with precise control, this model stands out. The dual digital display provides clear real-time and preset pressure readings, making inflation accurate and safe. Its fast inflation speed and auto-stop function are perfect for anyone who values efficiency and ease of use, especially for cars and EVs. What people say. The tire pressure gauge is accurate and easy to read. The tire inflator works quickly and efficiently. The tire repair kit is comprehensive and includes all the necessary tools. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.